How do you organize all those wall panels at the factory for shipping? Well, in this episode, we have those answers for you. All right, Russ, we just came from the other Howick machine that was actually doing the interior walls on the structure that we're gonna go see in a little bit. Now, this is the money-making part, my favorite part, right? We are in station 4. These are loaded, looking ready to go ship, or am I wrong?
No, you're correct, yep.
Okay, walk me through what's going on behind us here, because it's super important.
Yep. So on this site, the Fairfax site, you'll see it's a very tight site. When we have our panels come off the line, they get loaded into these cages. They'll get loaded in a proper sequence on where they need to go in order that they need to set them. So instead of going from the truck, lifting up, spending 8 to 10 minutes per pick, swinging across the building to set them, they can lift these entire cages by the pick points at the corners, load them directly where they need to go, right at the area. So now we take that crane boom time to 2 to 3 minutes per panel, not 8 to 10.
So let me get this straight. These walls are in the exact order for the exact placement at the job site. Right here, right now, they'll get loaded in a specific sequence on a truck.
Yep.
And when they get to the site, they get offloaded. The crane then grabs this cage by the O-rings at the top and lifts it to wherever it's needed on the job site based on how these are labeled and ready to
Exactly. Directly to the wing, to the corridor where they need to go. And they pull panel by panel directly out of the cage right at that location and set them.
So what we're seeing here, these are exterior panels. You already have some of the insulation on the exterior. Windows are set, openings for your vertical packs. Right, that's the heating and cooling for each of those units. What else are we seeing here?
We've got the exterior foam, the GMS, any of the blocking that needs to be in the walls or in the walls. They are, headers, everything you need. Set them and they're done.
Right. All right. So also within here, I mean, we're looking at a couple, but there is wall after wall panel in here, not just exterior, but interior as well. And those are all ready to go out.
Yep. Interior load bearing, shear walls, everything that we need is in here.
Right.
There's about 650 panels in here ready to ship, ready to
650 panels ready to ship. Yep. And then you run multiple shifts in this factory as well, depending on what the load is.
Yep. Depending on where the need is. Our roll formers run about 20 hours a day. Our framers are about 12 hours a day. And depending on where we're at in the exterior portion, if we need sheeting, we need extra windows, we run swing shifts for that as well.
It looks like you're gonna need a bigger space.
Very soon, very soon.
You're gonna need a bigger space, like a bigger ship.
Yep.
And our next stop is gonna be go look at the truck, and then it's off to the job site, and that's where we're headed, so this is gonna be great.
Yes, we'll follow the truck right there.
I love it, so let's go.
Perfect.